In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for interior decorating ideas. A step-by-step guide. First, we'll clear any workspace bias so your design starts fresh. Head to the bottom left corner, click your profile picture, open settings, then personalization, and select manage memories. Take a moment to remove old room layouts or stray design facts from past chats. This keeps the model from leaning on yesterday's styles and ensures every suggestion is tailored to your current space. Next, choose the right engine tier based on what you need. If you're brainstorming quickly, like collecting color names, pulling popular decor styles, drafting short product search keywords, or exploring seasonal themes, switch to the instant tier for speed. If you're solving tighter challenges such as calculating furniture scale for limited square footage, mapping a functional layout, or untangling lighting and sightline conflicts, use the thinking tier for deeper, more precise reasoning. Now prime the model with a rich design profile instead of a one-liner. Press Shift plus Enter to format a multi-line prompt and paste something like act as an elite residential interior designer, architectural space planner, and home staging expert. I want to build a cohesive room decoration profile. Before you generate any design concepts, ask me 3 highly targeted questions, one by one, regarding my specific room dimensions, layout challenges, my target design aesthetic, e.g., Japandi, industrial, transitional, and my actual budget boundaries so we can customize this roadmap perfectly. Answer the questions one at a time so the plan reflects your real measurements, vibe, and budget. Once aligned, open your room design canvas. You can also upload a photo of your space using the clip or plus icon. Then type Sage Canvas create a structured interior decorating plan based on our data. Organize the roadmap into a clean table displaying room zone/focus area, core furniture and decor items, textures and color palette codes, and lighting/placement strategy. Your window will split with prompts on the left and an interactive concept canvas on the right. With the canvas loaded, edit in place. Highlight any row or decor block, click the small comment bubble, and write a direct instruction like, this zone feels a bit crowded. Rewrite the placement strategy to focus on a minimalist layout and swap out the heavy wooden coffee table for a sleek glass oval table to open up the floor space, and suggest 3 specific accent pillow colors that complement the main rug. Use the tone slider in the bottom right to shift toward creative or descriptive for mood-rich language. Finally, ground your ideas with real visuals and export. Click the globe icon and ask for inline web images, like show me inline web images of mid-century modern accent chairs. When you're set, use the export or download button to save your plan as a Word document, Markdown file, or PDF, perfect for taking to the store. That is all. Thank you for watching, and